Are you a 3D printing entrepreneur looking to take your business to the next level? Look no further. In this eye-opening video, we're going to explore the exciting world of crowdfunding and investment opportunities that can help catapult your 3D printing startup to new heights. Crowdfunding for 3D printing. Crowdfunding has become an increasingly popular way for 3D printing entrepreneurs to raise capital and validate their ideas. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow you to engage directly with your target market, gauge interest, and generate crucial early funding. By crafting a compelling campaign that showcases your unique 3D printed products or services, you can tap into a global network of backers who believe in your vision. The key is to tell an authentic story that resonates with your audience. Highlight your product's features, demonstrate its real-world applications, and outline how the funds will be used to scale your business. Offer exciting rewards and limited edition items to incentivize backers. With the right strategy, you can harness the power of the crowd to transform your 3D printing dreams into a thriving reality. Seeking investment for 3D printing startups. Of course, crowdfunding is just one avenue for funding your 3D printing venture. Many startups also seek investment from angel investors, venture capitalists, and other sources of capital. This can provide the resources you need to accelerate product development, expand your operations, and stay ahead of the competition. When pitching to investors, be prepared to articulate your unique value proposition, demonstrate traction and growth potential, and outline a clear path to profitability. Emphasize the innovative nature of your 3D printing technology, the size of your target market, and your team's expertise. Investors are looking for disruptive ideas with the ability to scale, so be sure to highlight the long-term viability of your business model. Remember, securing funding is just the first step in building a successful 3D printing business. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into strategies for marketing, customer service, and scaling your operations to new heights. And don't forget to check out the latest 3D printers and accessories featured in the description below. Subscribe to our channel now to be the first to know about the latest trends and insights in the world of 3D printing entrepreneurship.